Okay, this is activity 33, top 10 candy bars. Excuse me. Once you get all the information typed as shown on the screen, what you will do is you'll start off with number 3, bold cell A1 and change the font to 18. So it's just a review. We're going to bold and we're going to change it to 18. Format the width of column A to 10. So we're going to hit A. And I'm going to go through it this way to column width, and then I'm going to change that to 10. Center align cells A5 through A14, so I'm going to highlight here, center align. This puts everything into the center. Format the width of column B to 25. Highlight column B. I'm going to right click, hit column width, and I'm going to change it to 25. So it's going to shorten it a little bit. It says format the widths of column C through G to 22 and center align. Highlight all of my columns, right click, column width, and it says 22. And then we're going to center align everything in those columns. Center align, bold, and underline row 4, so I'm going to click on 4. I'm going to center align, I'm going to bold, and I'm going to underline row 4. So everything looks like this so far up through step 8. On step 9, it says format cells C5 through E14 as currency displaying 2 decimals and the $sign. So I'll go here to here, just this part. I'm going to format. I'm going to go down to here to cells. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to format it for excuse me, currency, 2 decimal places showing a $sign, and I'm going to hit OK because it's the top one's what I want to do, and it did not do it. Here we go. So I want to make sure it's on currency. I think I was on number, so then that way it looks like this. I'm going to use the autofill to complete the numbering sequence in column A. So I'm going to go from here to here. I'm going to go to fill, series, and I'm going to stop at, I don't know, 20. It's not going to go that high, but so now I've auto-filled it all the way up to 10. Now step number 11, compute the formulas for the first candy bars as follows. Assume the average discount is 15%. So I'm going to go in cell D5, and I'm going to type that formula, equals C5 times 15%. I'm going to hit enter. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and do the B section, 11B. It says the wholesale price, so I'm going to hit E, C5 minus D5, and that's what's going to give me my prices. So I'm just going to basically I'm going to click in D5, hold and highlight over to E5. I'm going to drag this down. And basically that auto-fills and copies it all the way down the remaining candy bars. Step 13 is going to be a new step for us. Excuse me, is we're going to insert a column between column B, candy bar name, and column C. So we're going to click on C, and I'm going to hit insert. Now I've inserted a column in there. I'm going to move the calorie count column to the newly created column, and I'm going to change it to 18. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically highlight H, and I'm going to hit cut. I'm going to go over here to C1 and make sure it is in C1, and I'm going to hit paste. So I've moved it over, and then the next thing is I'm going to make sure it's still highlighted. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to change it to 18 for my column width. And basically what I've done is I've moved calorie count from the end to the middle, and that's how we're going to do it. Below, inserting a header, activity 33, student name. So we're going to insert header footer on the left, so it's activity 33, and then you'll type your name. In the middle, we're going to type top 10 candy bars. And then on the right, we're going to put the current date, which is 1/4/2016. Okay. On the footer, we'll go down to the footer here, and we're going to go to Design. Remember, going to Design. I'm going to hit Page Number, and everything's there. Do not worry about the fact that you have some stuff over here. It's fine, and you'll be fine. So, follow steps 16 through 22. Display for accuracy your formulas. Proofread it and save it as top 10 candy bars. And this will be activity 33.